Hi, in this video I'll demonstrate how to build and use wxWidgets in Visual Studio 2019. These steps also work for Visual Studio 2017, with a few differences I'll mention as they come up. Building wxWidgets. First, go to the wxWidgets website and download the archive file containing its source code. Extract this archive to a folder and ensure that the resulting path doesn't contain any spaces. Here, I simply created a top-level folder named wxWidgets-3.1.3. Within the wxWidgets directory, navigate to the Build MSW folder. Open the VC16 solution file. Visual Studio 2019 is formally version 16. If you're still using Visual Studio 2017, open the VC15 solution file instead. Build the configurations of wxWidgets you require. In my case, I built both the 32-bit and 64-bit versions of the static libraries in the release and debug configurations. Now, add an environment variable named wxWin containing the path to the wxWidgets directory. At this point, wxWidgets is ready to use, but be sure to restart Visual Studio so it's aware of the new environment variable. Using wxWidgets. In Visual Studio, create an empty C++ project. If you wish, you may add the necessary include directories and preprocessor directives manually. Instructions are provided in the install.md markdown file in docs.msw within the wxWidgets directory. However, a property sheet file is provided, and importing it performs these configuration steps for you. To import the property sheet, go to View, Other Windows, Property Manager. In the Property Manager tab, right-click on the project name and select Add Existing Property Sheet from the context menu. The property sheet is named wxWidgets.props and is contained in the wxWidgets directory. Import this file and note that the configuration settings it contains have been applied to your project. Before continuing, we need some code to compile. For test purposes, create an empty source file and copy the code from the minimal wxWidgets sample into it. Try to build the project. The build fails as the compiler can't find one of the wxWidgets header files. Select the project and press Alt-Enter to open its properties. Select the Advanced category and change character set from multi-byte to Unicode. If you're using Visual Studio 2017, note that this setting is under General, not Advanced. Try to build again. This time, there's a linker error related to the entry point. Open the project properties again and open the linker system category. Change the subsystem setting from console to Windows. Note that this isn't necessary in Visual Studio 2017, as its empty project template doesn't specify the subsystem. The build should now succeed. Run the resulting program and you'll see the wxWidgets minimal sample. And that's how to use wxWidgets.